Hello guys, today we're gonna cook pasta with tomato sauce. What we're gonna do first, we will need to boil water with little bit of oil like this. Make sure it's really boiling. Now we will need to add the pasta in the water. This bag is I believe 350 grams. Yeah, 350 grams of pasta. So we're gonna cook 350 grams of pasta. What we do first, again, we will need to cook the pasta. We will need to boil it first, and then I will show you later how we were gonna do the tomato sauce for the pasta. Okay. It's really important, guys, when you're cooking the pasta, make sure you do not cover the right. We will just keep to boil it and not cover it. We will cook it for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then I will show you later what we're gonna do later. Now after exactly 6 minutes, the pasta is cooked. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get rid of this water under in the sink, and then we will have to put tap water on it, otherwise it's gonna stick together. So I will show you now. Let's go. I will show you. This is our pasta. Okay. Now we need just actually not cold, not hot, just normal water. Give it a quick wash. Okay. Now I will show you how we're gonna do. We will leave it here in the sink. Now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do the tomato sauce. Okay, to do the tomato sauce, we will have the pan here. We will just put a little bit of oil. We will add some onion. We will cook the onion for about 3 minutes. Now we're back after 3 minutes, after the onion getting dry. What we're gonna do, we will put 1 cup of chopping tomatoes. Okay. Some people actually they cook the pasta without onion, but I like to cook the pasta with onion. It's make nice taste. Salt, black pepper, coriander, and cinnamon. We'll leave it to boiling first for 2 minutes, and then we will change the heat from the maximum to minimum, and then we will leave it to cook for 10 minutes. Then we will add the pasta. 10 minutes, I'll come back. I will show you what we're gonna do. Okay guys, now after basically 15 minutes, You will see the sauce like this. What we're gonna do, we're gonna bring the pasta, put the pasta in, leave it on the cooker for exactly 3 minutes. Okay, give it a quick wash before you put it in. Here the pasta, I will show you, is not sticky. As you can see, it's not sticky at all. Right, we'll leave it for 3 minutes and then I will show you how it's gonna look like. Okay guys, after 3 minutes the pasta is ready. As you can see, our pasta is ready. Try it and let me know down below in the comment. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also make sure you like the video. Thank you very much. See you next video.